Today, team for BIM asked me for construction management. Do I use Vico Office or some alternative? Ooh, that's a big question. The construction management. So basically that means scheduling, costs, all the work safety, all the other things. Then it includes the BIM, work planning, a lot of different things that need to be, and of course documentation and surveying and so on. So at the moment, at current date and time, there really isn't any good softwares. Basically, what my software palette usually looks like is that we have Connect, we have Infrapioneer, we have all different machine kind of systems. Then we have a different solution like Synchro 4D. We have this and that and this and that. It's it's quite a mess. It's really a messy palette. It requires a lot of streamlining to get it working. Like it's functional, it's efficient, and it's clear. But it's still big package of different tools, different systems, and that the world we are living now. Hopefully, in the future, we have this kind of like Web 3.0 interconnectivity, that we would have the interfaces between all these different softwares, and we would just some would use only project management or project bank, and someone would use surveyors softwares, and someone would use time scheduling and expense softwares, and they would just talk to each other, and it would be less stream. But we are not there yet. Great. If you have other questions, just comment below and I will reply to you in the next video. See you then.